All right, if you are not sure what size tire your car has, I'm gonna show you two ways on how to check that in this video. So the first way, it may seem obvious, but you're gonna wanna look at your tire. Now there are a few numbers on here, a few letters. It might look a little confusing, but you do wanna look for a string of numbers. Now on my vehicle here, you can see that string of numbers is 255 60R18. Now 255 just means the width of the tire in millimeters from here to here. And then that second number, 60, is just a percentage of that first number, which means the sidewall. So 60% of 255 is how much sidewall you have right there on that tire height. And then the R18, R just stands for radial, that is a tire type, and 18 is the diameter of your rim in inches, so from here to here. All right, now for whatever reason, if you cannot make out the tire size on your actual tire, there is another thing you can do. Open up your driver's side door, and you're gonna wanna look for this tag right here. Now you can see here on my vehicle, it says tire size right there, 255 60R18. Now that number does match the string of numbers found on my tire because these tires did come from the factory. But just one thing to keep in mind if you are going by this number right here, if for whatever reason your car has some aftermarket rims, aftermarket tires, you bought it used maybe, those numbers will not match. This string of numbers here is just telling you what size tires and rims you should have from the factory. So hopefully that helped. Two ways you can check your car's tire size. Please like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.